Alien UFO trio fire out of the sun. NASA's Solar Observatory films these UFO objects exiting our star. Tom Fish of Express UK reports. Well, we know that NASA once in a while captures amazing footage of what we see around the sun. UFOs going in, UFOs blasting out, followed by solar flares. Other times we see UFOs approaching Earth, celestial bodies approaching Earth, careening towards us, and the sun flaring and pushing them out of the way as if it's our big brother protecting us. Very strange things. Nassim Haramein has shown us a few of these things. Amazing. You'll see a lot of his explanations on YouTube videos. Nassim Haramein. A lot of strange things happening with our sun. So what's been going on is that NASA has a solar heliospheric observatory, SOHO for short, and it has a beautiful success. It's been there trying to figure out what the sun is doing, learn more about our sun, and the space agency has the goal of understanding what the internal structure and the outer atmosphere of our sun is, and it's begun orbiting the sun with this solar observatory, the SOHO telescope, since 1996. It has been a tremendous success. Now, to discover what's been going on there, first of all, it studies the sun, and it's discovered over 3,000 comets. But it's also, the images are also available to the public on a daily basis in very fantastic clarity. UFO hunter Scott Waring thinks that NASA Sun Observatory is now uncovering the most incredible discovery up to now, in that it filmed 3 alien UFOs as they shot out of our sun. He took to his etdatabase.com blog, and he was discussing about what he saw concerning the solar anomaly. He says that these were 3 black UFOs coming out, and a few minutes before that, there were 3 white UFOs coming out of the same area, the same size, but they were white. He wrote, "This video contains many UFOs shooting out of our sun and around the SOHO satellite." And he goes on to say, "It's amazing, so many videos of UFOs exist, and yet the US government won't take any of them seriously. This means they are deliberately hiding the truth from the public." Well, we don't know what they are. Now, the video was originally posted by YouTube user SolarBug, and when you enlarge the screenshots of the grainy black and white footage, it shows 3 black shapes fired out of the sun at extremely high speed, and Scott Waring then takes this to be evidence of the odd-shaped UFOs exiting the sun, and it goes beyond all laws of physics that we know of. And he goes to say, yet just 3 seconds earlier, there were 3 white UFOs in the same exact position, also shooting out of the sun. It would be logical to conclude the alien crafts caused the solar flare to take place. Now, we know that the sun is a star comprised of about 70% hydrogen, 28% helium, and the star burns up the hydrogen, converting it into helium through nuclear fusion. And this means that as time goes on, the sun has less hydrogen and more helium as the cycle of the life of the star progresses. The NASA Solar Heliospheric Observatory, SOHO for short, travels around the sun in step with our Earth, and it slowly orbits around the first Lagrangian point, L1 point, where the gravity of the Earth and the sun keep SOHO in a locked orbit to the Earth-Sun line. The L1 point is about 1.5 million kilometers away from Earth. That's about 4 times the distance of the moon. And it's, of course, pointing in the direction of the sun. And SOHO, in that way, has an uninterrupted view of our star. All previous solar observatories orbiting the Earth from where their observatories were periodically interrupted by Earth. This one, though, enjoys an uninterrupted view of our star. So I'll leave links below for you for this. If you'd like to join me on my Patreon account, you will hear content not covered by mainstream media. These riveting stories will be based on my research, and I will state my opinions and give my personal insight on diverse and controversial subjects and world events not covered by mainstream media, and not supported by YouTube guidelines. So whatever I have on my Patreon, most of those will not be on my YouTube channel. Please consider becoming a member today. More of the most significant and important videos will be on my Patreon channel. Your support helps me to continue my research and keeps this YouTube channel alive. And we depend on your support, your generous charity, because we help economically challenged families here in Athens, Greece, in Kapota, and we also help the young generation with university tuition and the community around our church. Thank you.